Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. For today's video, we are going to talk about lashes. I recently bought some lashes from one of my favorite Instagrammers. Her name is Jenny69 and she launched her lashes. When I first seen them, they are on the dramatic side, but I decided to give it a try even though I'm not so much of a dramatic lash person. Just here and there, I like myself a good pair of bold lashes, but it's rarely. First of all, the packaging is really pretty. This is the first time that I see a pair of lashes with this type of packaging, and I thought it was very unique. The details definitely count. They have a magnetic touch to it, as we all know. Perhaps by now we all know. She brought out 4 styles: Instaho and Baddie. So these are the most dramatic ones and 2 on the lighter side. Let's stop rambling around and let's get to the important part. So as you can see, I have everything done. I really want to focus on these lashes. I got all 4. Let's start off with the less dramatic ones. The less dramatic ones would be, the band seems very flexible, which some may not like, some may like. Let me say that they feel, even though they're huge, well, for me, they're big, they feel super comfortable. If anything, I feel they feel more comfortable than any lash that I've ever tried on, to be honest. When it comes to the bold ones, this actually feels comfortable. Wow. They are comfortable. Let's go on with the next pair of lashes, and these are in the style Sugar Baby. These lashes retail for $19. It's not cheap, but it's not, you know, we're not talking about $34, $35, $36. These feel more sturdy, more hard. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, these are a little harder to put on. They are sturdier from the band. I actually thought I felt they were just gonna make me look more weird. But I actually like them. Wow. Another angled ones, and these are Baddie. These lashes are out of my comfort zone for sure. Oh, they're not as bad. I was a little scared of these, but they don't look bad. I'm impressed. I could actually use this. This pair also feels very flexible. The second pair was the band, it was sturdy. I don't know if that's a thing or why it's that, but yeah. Last but not least, the baddest of them all, and these are the famous Instaho lashes. They scream beach. Let's fly away. That's what they say. The band feels good. Whoa. They're pretty, don't get me wrong, they are pretty, but are they dramatic? They are dramatic. My last thoughts, I promise, my last thoughts. These lashes, she did state they are not your average regular lashes. They are dramatic. They are full and sassy. So I wanted to try, I wanted to try these. They look very, very bad. I think I'm going to start using more lashes of these. I hope this video was helpful for you in whatever sense, whether you yourself is trying to purchase these lashes, or you just you're curious to see how they look, or you're here because you love me. If you want to see more videos of these, me showing you guys trying any products, let me know. If you want me to talk about something specific, let me know. If you want me to show you something specific, let me know. I'm always open for ideas. Just hit me on the DMs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.